If you've ever wanted to start a profitable food business from home, without a restaurant, without staff, and without huge costs, this is the video to watch. Today I'm showing you the small food machines that are making people real money online right now. These are low-risk, high-demand, evergreen machines that customers never stop buying from. Let's get straight into it. And trust me, number 7 is a monster profit machine. 1. Mini Donut Maker Machine. Let's start with the Mini Donut Maker, a small machine that has exploded in demand online. Mini donuts sell everywhere: events, birthdays, coffee shops, Instagram pop-up stores, even from home. This machine is cheap, fast, and the ingredients cost almost nothing. Flour, sugar, oil, that's it. But people pay premium prices for cute, flavored mini donuts because they're seen as a treat, not just food. This is the perfect machine for beginners. Low investment, fast turnaround, and high profit margins. 2. Dumpling Ravioli Making Machine. Next is the dumpling machine, one of the most underrated food machines in the world. Restaurants, meal prep businesses, and Asian-style food shops are always looking for fresh dumplings. This machine automates shaping, sealing, and filling, so instead of making 20 dumplings in 10 minutes, you can make 200. And dumplings freeze extremely well, which means you can sell them online as frozen packs. This is a long-term, evergreen business with constant repeat customers. 3. Peanut Butter Making Machine. Health food trends are not slowing down, and homemade nut butter is a goldmine. With a small peanut butter machine, you can create almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter, chocolate blends, all premium priced. People pay extra for natural, sugar-free, organic-style products. And your cost? Nuts. That's it. The profit margins on nut butter can hit 60 to 80% easily. This is one of the simplest food machines that can turn into a brand quickly. 4. Cold-pressed juicer. Mini commercial. Cold-pressed juice is one of the most profitable food niches online. A commercial-grade mini juicer lets you create detox packs, 3-day cleanse programs, and subscription juice boxes. The best part, the machine does the hard work, extracting maximum nutrition with zero heat, which customers love. If you want a machine that ties directly to the fitness and healthy lifestyle market, this one is an absolute winner. 5. Chocolate Tempering Machine. Chocolate sells 365 days a year, and a mini chocolate tempering machine lets you make artisanal chocolates, truffles, and pralines. These are high-margin, gift-friendly products that perform extremely well online. With the right molds, you can create seasonal or personalized chocolates and sell them at premium prices. This is where creativity and profit go hand in hand. 6. Tortilla / Chapati Maker. Meal prep culture is booming, and tortillas or chapatis are staples in thousands of households. This small automated machine rolls and cooks perfect flatbreads every time. Restaurants, meal prep businesses, and families will buy fresh product weekly. That means repeat income, which is the best kind of income. This machine builds a business that never stops. Final machine, big profit. 7. Mini Tumbler Seasoning Machine. The seasoning tumbler is a snack product moneymaker. It lets you flavor popcorn, nuts, chips, pretzels, all low-cost, fast-moving products with massive market demand. TikTok loves snack brands. Shops love new snack varieties. And customers always come back for more. Simple ingredients plus high volume equals massive profit margin. These machines prove you don't need a huge restaurant to start a successful food business. You just need the right machine, the right product, and consistency. If you found a machine you'd start with, drop it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because more profitable machine videos are coming.